Alright guys, my very first deal at Publix is a moneymaker. I can't even believe it. So this Carvana, you can get the carpet cleaner or the pet stain and odor one, whichever one. They are $5.59 on BOGO, and there is a $1 hang tag on this, taking $1 off, and there's also a $2 on IBOTTA. So let's break it down. If you were to buy just one of them, it will be $2.90. Let me repeat that because it'll be $2.90 if you just buy one of them. Then we're going to use that $1 off hang tag located on the bottles. Check in the back if you don't see any. That's going to make it $1.90. And then on Ibotta, there is a $2 Ibotta rebate and a limit of 5 on those. So you can do this deal up to 5 times. And so that $2 rebate is going to make this a 10-cent moneymaker. Moneymaker. You guys know I love a moneymaker. So 10-cent moneymaker on the carpet cleaner. You can do a limit of 5 with Ibotta. So I am going to pick up all 5 because I can do all of these, and I have hang tags for all these. So this is going to be 50 cents in a moneymaker, and I'm going to be able to use this 50 cents moneymaker, 10 cents, 10 cents, 10 cents, 10 cents, 10 cents on things that I need for my household. So super excited about this 50 cent moneymaker. Got a great deal on the Sundown vitamins, and there is a digital coupon on the app. So I'm actually going to be picking up these vitamin D because I do take this vitamin D. I see that there are some vitamin C that are $4.99, so you could probably get a cheaper deal with that. Oh my gosh, guys, I just realized there's a $1 hang tag, but you know what? I can't use that because I'm using my $3 off on Publix. So anyways, don't matter about that. There's more hang tags. So what we're going to do is these are $5.39, and we're going to take 25% off of that $5.39. When we do, it's going to make our total $4.04 with that 25% off. We are then going to use a $3 digital coupon from the Publix app, and make sure you click that coupon because those good coupons like that tend to disappear on us. It's going to make these vitamins just $1.04 after our percentage off and our Publix digital coupon. So $1.04 for vitamins that I use all the time is a great deal. Another great clearance find today. This was on there last week, but I'm going to pick this up. These are $1.84. I have this $1 off coupon I got from the grocery network, right? I think it's the Grocery Coupon Network website. I will have it linked in my printable breakdown, grocerynetwork.com, in my printable breakdown for you guys, making these just 84 cents per box. So pretty sweet deal on this tea. All right, guys, you know I love making the little baby shower gifts. So this baby Cetaphil wash and shampoo, these are $5.49 for those. The larger ones with the lotion are $7.99. We've got the wash and shampoo, which is $8.99, and this lotion is $9.99. I'm going to be getting the cheaper one, which is the face and body, for $5.49, taking $3 off at the register. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to pick up 2 of these Cetaphil babies, and when we do, because that $3 off that's coming off that $5.49 is going to make them $2.49 each. So we're going to buy 2 of them. Okay, when we buy 2 at $2.49 each, that makes it $4.98 each. Then we're going to use this $5 coupon on 2 that we got in the 1010 paper, making this a 2-cent moneymaker. 2-cent moneymaker. I'm hoping it works out just fine. Hoping no beeps. So it's going to be a 2-cent moneymaker. And if it works, I'm going to come back and I'm going to take it all. So 2-cent moneymaker on the Cetaphil baby. Hey guys, do not go anywhere. We're not done yet. Just really quick, the deal of the day is that Cetaphil baby for me. I'm super excited about that. I was able to pick up 2 bottles, no beeps on the coupons, and that $3 came off, so that was a moneymaker for me. What is your deal of the day? Please let me know in the comments below. I would love to know what was your favorite thing that you picked up at Publix today. Got a really great deal on this Ithaca hummus. They're a buy one, get one free, so they're usually $4.99. But if you are in state of South Carolina and a couple other states, I don't really know all the different states they have, but this hummus is actually only going to be $2.50 when we buy just one. And when we buy just one, we can submit to Ibotta for $1, making these just $1.50. And this right here, yummy everything bagel hummus, I might be getting this one because that looks, it says everyone bagel hummus. Oh, not everything. Anyways, this one says it gives back, so I'm gonna try this out and we'll see what they are giving back. and see what the deal is. But it's only gonna be $1.50 with the IBOTTA rebate. Awesome deal. Got a really amazing deal on this shelf-stable milk. You can find this in the coffee aisle, and so these are $2.99. I'm going to donate this to the food bank because they always need stuff like this. Of course, I don't get fresh foods like milk and meats and veggies, so this will be great. I'm getting this for $2.99, and then I'm going to submit to Shopkicks with skins and kicks. It's 500 skins and kicks. It's going to be $2.28 after the skins and kicks, making this just 71 cents. So this is a 71-cent deal on this milk. Great thing to donate to someone in need. So very excited to pick this up in Shopkicks. All right, we got a moneymaker. Yay! You know I love a moneymaker. And this right here, this rice is going to pay for my shelf-stable milk I just bought. So no coupons needed on this deal. No coupons whatsoever. This is an IBOTTA rebate for a freebie. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick up this royal rice packet. It is in like the quick rice section. Uncle Ben's, all that. So look for it. I had to look for it for a moment. So these are $2.19 at my store. We're going to submit to IBOTTA for 3 different rebates, okay? There is a $2.50 for this, for the royal rice. There's also a 10-cent any and a 10-cent any coming off. So that will be $2.70 with IBOTTA rebate, so 3 rebates, making this a 51-cent moneymaker. So super excited about this. Whoa. Now, you know how expensive food prices have been, okay? And I'm loving this deal on these tomatoes. Now, if we look at some of the other ones that I usually buy these. They're $1.99. That's a big can. It's a big can right there for $1.99. I buy sometimes the Hunts. That's a big can for $2.41. But what if I could tell you I could get you tomatoes that size of a can for only 67 cents each? It's a great time to stock up on this, considering it is soup season. So 67 cents each. They've got these, the tomato sauce. I'm gonna get some of the crushed tomatoes, I use that a lot. Tomato puree, wow, 67 cents for this large can of tomatoes. So let's break it down. We're gonna pick up 3 of these cans, and when we do, because they're buy one get one free, they're usually 2 for $4. Because they're buy one get one free, they're only gonna be $1 each. And when we do that, we're gonna pick up 3 cans at $1 each. That's gonna make it $3. On the Publix app, they also have a digital coupon. When you buy 3, you get $1 off. So it's going to make all 3 of those cans only $2 for all of them, or like I said before, 67 cents each. Great item to donate to your food bank, or just to keep it and make some yummy soup for your family. My kiddos are gonna be so happy about this deal because these are gonna be only 51 cents. And I'm not using any paper coupons. So these are buy one, get one free. I'm just gonna pick up 1 today, and when I do that, it's gonna be $2.51. Then I'm gonna use the Publix digital coupon for $2 off Tostino's pizza rolls. So they have, not only do they have the BOGO, but they also have a digital coupon, making these pizza rolls, sorry the light just went off, only 51 cents per bag. So picking these up for 51 cents per bag for my kiddos, they're gonna love it. Got a great deal on these Good Pops. I'm assuming they're called Good Pops because everything is natural or sugar-free. I don't know. It's not sugar-free, but it's good for you, I guess. I don't know. I'm gonna pick up one of these chocolate ones. If you buy 2, it's gonna be $5, but we're just gonna get 1 at $2.50. When we do, we're gonna submit to IBOTTA for $1 bag, making that just $1.50 for a box of Good Pops. You can actually do this deal up to 5 times in IBOTTA, so you can get 5 boxes for $1.50 each using that $1 rebate. Awesome deal. Boom. All right, we're going out with a bang. This is the last item I'm picking up today. These Chobani Probiotic drinks are $2.50 or 2 for $5. I'm gonna pick up one of them at $2.50. And then there is a digital Publix coupon on the app for $1.50, making these just $1 after that Publix coupon. But you can submit to checkout 51 for $1.50 as well, making this a moneymaker of 50 cents. Moneymaker, moneymaker, moneymaker of 50 cents. Great deal on this Chobani Probiotic that will cover some of my costs of the other items that I got in my cart today. Hey praisers and savers, just got home from Publix. It was a great haul. You want to come help me, Hannah?
Uh-huh.
I got my little helper here. This is Hannah Bug. Say hello, friends.
Hi.
Hannah always coupons with me. You don't really see her. She's usually behind the scenes. So we went to Publix today. Hannah, can you show us on our receipt how much we saved at Publix?
We saved $53.47.
Awesome. So we saved $53.47 today, and that's just at Publix. That's not included our rebate apps. What are our rebate apps called? What do you know? Do you know what they're called?
Mm-mm.
Okay, so we have 4 that we use, or 5 that we use. So one is IBOTTA.
Oh, yeah.
You've heard about that?
Yeah. You talk about that all the time.
All the time. And I got back $14.70. So I'm going to pop up a picture right there for you. Actually got 5 of the Carbonas.
Wait, Mama, why did you put an F minus?
F minus, no, that's F for fetch rewards, and I really didn't have any rewards, so I didn't get anything.
Oh.
Then
I thought you would just say she was bad because she was bad.
I was bad. I gave it a grade like a teacher.
Yeah, because her name, because it was right next to your cashier.
The cashier was Shelby, F minus. No, she was great. Then the other thing I got was on checkout 51. I'll put that up as well. I got $1.50 back on that probiotic drink. Chobani Probiotic was a moneymaker at the very end of the shopping trip, and I got $1.50 back on that. Also on Shopkicks with that milk, that shelf-stable milk, we were able to get $2.28 back on Shopkicks. And I didn't have anything on Swagbucks, but I did have it on Fetch. So if you guys are not members of any of my rebate programs, please sign up using the description below. You get a kickback and I get a kickback as well. I have another helper back there. Also, right now is... Stop, guys. Silly ones. So right now, with IBOTTA, you get a free Thanksgiving dinner when you sign up. And I do as well when you sign up using my referral code. So check the description box below so you can get some free food. You can either keep it or you can do what with it?
Use it.
You can use it, or what do we always say? Donate?
Donate, yeah.
We can donate it.
Yeah.
Donate it.
We can donate it.
Do that.
We always do that. So you can eat it, Thanksgiving meal, or you can donate it. And if you sign up using my referral code, you get a Thanksgiving meal, and I do as well. Look at her hair. Really quick, before we go any further, I do want to show you the rest of my receipt. In the vendor coupons, I had $18.50 in vendor coupons. My special price and savings, that's going to be your BOGO and your percentage off. That was $34.97. Total that all up together was $53.47. And we even added in our $14.70. Thank you for turning the ice on while I'm talking. For IBOTTA, checkout 51 was $1.50. Shopkicks was $2.28. So that is about it. Do we have anything else we need to tell them? Make sure they do what?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Also eat tea.
Yeah, drink tea. Anyways, like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. We'll be doing the Walmart video, and we'll be using IBOTTA for the Weekend Warrior. Hopefully, fingers crossed we get
Mama
it.
created a schedule for which place she's gonna go.
Yes, Mommy has to. All right, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.